In front of me is LG G7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and selecting sound section at the top. Now click on this switcher next to ring with vibration to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Tap on sound profile at the top and in order to mute your device, leaving only vibrations, click on vibrate only. Scroll down. Tap on vibration strength and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch ones thanks to those sliders. Go back again. Click on vibration type, tap on the best pattern for you, and save it by hitting OK. And last but not least, tap on this switcher next to vibrate on tap to enable or disable vibrations when you tap certain items on the screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!